Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can set up quiet mode on Instagram. Maybe you want to set up quiet mode on Instagram so that Instagram can't bother you. So today I am going to show you on how you can set up quiet mode on Instagram. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account. After that, you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then in here, you will see your profile icon at the lower right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And then once you're in your profile page, you will see here the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner of your screen. Tap on it. And there will be an option that will appear. You will see here settings and privacy. Tap on the settings and privacy. And then in here, you will see how you use Instagram. In here, tap on the notifications. And then in here, you'll see here the quiet mode. Tap on this quiet mode. And then in here, to set it up, simply turn on the quiet mode. And then in here, you can turn on automatically from 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. You can tap on it to change the schedule. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can set up quiet mode on Instagram, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can set up quiet mode on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.